Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the class 12 physics sample paper solution is for it is question number 8th question, which is going to be called as a compound microscope question. We are going to do the solution. Okay, first we'll see what is given in the question. They asked about the 1.5 marks. If you are drawing this diagram, you will get. Okay, when the object is placed in between f and 2f. Okay, so image will be formed, finally magnified and inverted. Okay, first of all we learn compound microscope. What are the lenses required? Two lenses. One is objective, another one is eye lens. Okay, objective lens smaller than the eye lens, which is going to be for the compound microscope. Okay, it is called objective lens, it is called eye lens. Okay, now the first condition, the object is placed in between f and 2f. The parallel ray will go through the focus center ray and it will go straight. The image is formed here. Okay, this characterization I am given here. Okay, when the object is placed in between f and 2f, parallel ray will go like this, center ray will go like this. The image will be formed inverted, and it's going to be formed behind 2f. Okay, now the second lens I am taken. Okay, this is a second lens, objective lens. Okay, object is placed in between f and o. Okay, so it will be produced as a magnified virtual erect image. Okay, with the same side of the lens. Okay, see that characterization also I showed here. Okay, when the object is placed in between f and o, parallel ray will go through the focus center ray and it will go straight. Okay, both are divergent ray will be converged back side. Okay, the image will be formed with the same side. Finally, the image is formed with the compound microscope inverted, and it is going to be a virtual, okay, and magnified image. Okay, this is going to be formed with the compound microscope. Now we are going to do with the second 1.5 marks for the numericals. Now we are going to see second half of the problem. Okay, total magnification of the lens is given as a 30. Okay, total magnification is equal to magnification of objective lens into magnification of eye lens. That's going to be VO divided by UO. Okay, then the second one will works under the simple microscope 1 plus D by FE. D is called least distance divided by FE. Okay, this is a formula for the compound microscope. Okay, now we'll see what is a given data. D is going to be called as a least distance, which is going to called as 25 centimeter. Okay, the final image is formed at least distance. Okay, now the question is given, both together will be 30. Okay, objective lens focal length 1.25, eye lens focal length, which is going to called as a 5 centimeter. Okay, now they asked what is the length of the telescope. Okay, the length of the microscope. If you want length of the microscope, you have to add with this distance plus this distance. What is this distance? The final image formed with the objective lens, that's called VO. Okay, VO. Okay, what is this distance? The object is placed for eye lens, that's going to be called as a UE. Okay, UE. Even you are getting negative also, you should take it positive. Okay, VO plus UE. Okay, VO plus modulus of UE. Okay, even sign convention no need to follow, directly you can add the value. Okay, now we'll see how to do the solution for this problem. Okay, now the first one I'm going to find what is a magnification. It is going to be a ME. Okay, eye lens magnification 1 plus D by FE. Okay, it's a very simple. 1 plus D is how much? 25 centimeter. F is how much? 5 centimeter. This is going to be called as a 6. So ME is going to be called as a 6 centimeter. Okay, now M is equal to MO into ME. Okay, if you can easily find what is MO. Okay, if you are bringing this one, so MO is equal to 30 by 6, which is going to called as a 5. Okay, the magnification will be 5 for the objective lens. Okay, 6 for the eye lens. Okay, now now see here, already I told you the length. If you want, you should find with the VO and UE. Okay, first I will find what is VO. Okay, so M is equal to see here, MO is equal to VO divided by UO. Okay, MO we found how much? MO is going to be called as a 5. So 5 is equal to VO divided by UO. Okay, if you want what is VO, this you can take it this side. VO is equal to, it's a minus time, minus of 5 UO. Okay, this is a M we can VO we can get. Okay, it's a 5 times of UO. Okay, now we need to know what is UO, then only you are able to do the problem. Okay, so finding UO, you can use 1 by FO is equal to 1 by VO minus 1 by UO. Okay, VO I know, minus 5 times of UO. 1 divided by minus 5 times of UO minus 1 divided by UO. Everything objective lens only FO. Okay, So minus 1 divided by 5 UO minus 1 divided by UO. Okay, 1 divided by FO. Just a cross multiplication, 5 times of UO square. So minus, just thing you can do with the 5 here, 5 here. Okay, so minus 1, and it's going to be called as minus 5. It's going to be 1 by FO. Just a simple calculation only. Okay, just flip the equation. Here we won't get the square. Flip the equation. So 5 times of UO divided by minus 6 is equal to FO. Just I flipped the equation. Okay, if you want what is UO is going to be FO minus 6 times divided by 5. Okay, what is FO? 1.25 into 6 divided by 5. Okay, just I am going to make with the round number numerator and denominator. 100 you can multiple with numerator, 100 you can multiple with the denominator. Okay, so minus 125 into 6 divided by 500 will be. Okay, now I am going to cancel with the 25 table. It's going to be 25 tables. It will be 5. Okay, this will be 20. Okay, normal cancellation only. Okay, this is going to called as the minus 30 divided by 20. Okay, this get cancelled. So UO is going to be minus 3 divided by 2, which is going to called as a minus 1.5 centimeter. Okay, now already I told you VO we required. Okay, VO is a minus 5 times of UO. Okay, so UO is 1.5, so 5 into 1.5, which will get as a minus 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so minus 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so VO is equal to minus 7.5 centimeter. Okay, the next condition, I want what is UE. Okay, UE is a question mark. Okay, D I know it's going to be 25 centimeter, which is going to called as a VE. Okay, object image distance from the eye lens. Okay, FE also we got 5 centimeter. Now we are going to learn ME is equal to VE divided by UE. VE we can call as a capital D. Okay, that's going to be called as a least distance. So see here, ME is equal to D divided by UE. Okay, UE is equal to D divided by ME. What is D? It's 25. What is ME? Okay, what is ME? 6. Okay, this division UE I will get as a 4.166. Okay, totally length of the compound microscope, which is called as a VO plus UE. Okay, VO already I got 7.5, UE I got as a 4.166. okay, totally I will get as a 11.666 will get. Okay, this much centimeter, it's going to be called as a length of telescope or microscope. Thank you.